How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be mail call and announcement for a new buddy build. So before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. All right, guys, appreciate you, appreciate everybody. And if I mention anybody in my videos, you know the link is always in the description below. My email's always in the description below. You got to get a hold of me, that's where it's at. But yeah, all right, guys. Today, well, I got it in the other day, I just hadn't had time to make a video. Y'all know I'm working third shift. I ain't been watching a lot of videos either, and sorry about that, guys. I'll try to get caught up if I ever can, but I don't know if I ever will. But that's beside the point. All right, well, the other day, old Adam from Sodak Models made a video showing these two right here, and I contacted him. I texted him, and I told him, I said, man, I need that box. I said, I got the kit for it, but I need that box. And he goes, yeah, man, we'll work something else, you know, something out. And so we got to talking and stuff, and I gathered up some stuff for him, and I said, here, how about this stuff? He said, all right. I said, but if we're going to do that, I said, go ahead and throw in that kit right there. I want that kit too. And yeah, he said, okay. So, and then I got it all in, and he sent me all these magazines with it too. Y'all seen these on his channel? Y'all check it out. Look at this, Rod and Custom foreign cars. Let's see, it's yeah, Rod and Custom right here. A whole stack, several stacks full of these magazines, and he's already did these on his channel, so he's already you know, opened them and reviewed them and everything, and went through them. You can look and see there's look at this, look at that. I got some good reading ahead of me. And two, all these things right here are good for reference, man. Building these custom cars and seeing how they did it back in the day. And look at the Volkswagens, man. That's freaking awesome. You know, that's from 1965. Some of them from the 50s. And here's another stack of them. My God, Adam, thank you, brother. Look at this. Look at that. Y'all remember he's did those on his channel. And if you don't know who he is and you're not subscribed to him, his link will be below, and y'all get over there. If you like stuff like this, he restores vintage models. He's a awesome customizer, painter. He does the magazine reviews and stuff like that from these old vintage magazines. So get over there and check him out. Matter of fact, here's his shop card right here. Here's his Gmail right here, Sodak Models. You can follow him on Facebook. I don't know all this stuff right here, guys, but YouTube, you know everything. So there you go, guys. Go check him out, man. He is awesome. But that being said, you know, like I said, he threw this kit in. This kit was still sealed, which I've opened it. Of course I did. And it is pretty neat. Look at that. It's molded in black and like a seafoam green looking color. That's pretty neat. I love these old monogram 124 scale Model A's and stuff. Like I said, I needed the box because I have the original right here. Y'all remember from a collection I bought here a few years back. That's the original right there. I also have the original Phaeton kits, which I need a box. If any of y'all have a box for the original Phaeton kit, I got all the parts to it. It needs to be restored, but there it is. It's even got the top to it. It's got the windshield. I got the wheels to it. Everything's there. Thing needs to be restored. But I have that one, and then I also have the stock version of the Phaeton right there, and it has the windshield, top, everything. They're all dusty and dirty. Had to go pull them out of the garage, but I had them in a box, in a tub or whatever. But I need to restore these, but I'm looking for a box for that. And if any of y'all out there have the Yellow Jacket kit, and I want to leave here in the corners here, I'll probably put the boxes up right here somewhere up in here. I'll put the boxes up for that. But I am looking for those boxes. I wouldn't mind having the Yellow Jacket kit, not just the box, but the Yellow Jacket kit. If any of y'all have that, any of my subscribers or whatever, my email's below. We can hook up some trades or buy or whatever we got to do, guys. But yeah, no, thank you, Adam. Appreciate you, buddy. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. And then with that being said, you know, with all this stuff, you know, that we traded and got and everything, we are starting a buddy build. Y'all remember here, let me get all this stuff put up. Get all this stuff out of the way. Y'all remember here a while back, I sent him 2 vintage trucks. I sent him a 60 and I sent him a 61. And he custom painted those, and they're on his channel. You can see, and I'm fixing to pull the truck out that he painted for me. He painted the bodies, and then he sent mine back to me, and he kept his. And we're going to have a buddy build. So all I got left to do is finish detailing the engine, painting, you know, chassis, interior. But man, he's did the outside body. So that's going to be our buddy build. Let me get this sucker out here and let you see it. I don't want to get my dick fingers all over it. But there it is. Look at that. This is the announcement to our buddy build. I don't know which is, this is the 61 or the 60. I really don't know. He's got one opposite of mine, so whichever one it is, I got to paint inside the bed wood, do the chrome. I got to paint interior. I got, you know, I got to just all the parts I still got to do, but the body is painted. And y'all remember I asked you when I showed this, when I first got it in, what would be a good name for this custom. And you know, I think Jamie probably had the best name for it. Strawberry Slam. Because this thing's going to be slammed to the ground with the white walls, maybe the old chrome reverse on it or whatever. So we're going to call this one Strawberry Slam. Thank you, Jamie. Jamie G, thank you very much, brother. I'll leave his description below too. Go check him out. He's our Canadian buddy up north. But yeah, this is it. This is going to be our buddy build, guys. Like I said, I don't have a whole lot to do on mine. So, and he's going to get his done because he's going to take his to the NNL. And so we're wanting to get these buddy builds going. That way he can finish his up and get his to the NNL. But look at that. Adam is just the man. I mean, there's no doubt about that. I mean, look at this. That paint is just, I can't do it justice. I can't explain to you how good that paint is. It's like a silver on the top and then a white pearl there. And then it's got that, I don't know what kind of candy color red that is. And then he's got the, look at there, he's got the I don't know if that's lacing or what do you call that, but man, it looks like a strawberry. Man, that is a strawberry, guys. A beautiful strawberry. So yeah, it's gonna be absolutely awesome. I can't wait to get this done. And man, I tell you, he knocked that paint out of the park. Like I said, there's really not a lot I'm going to have to do to mine. I'm going to have to detail this bed, wood grain it, do the chrome slats in it, paint that interior, which he painted the dash for me, so I still got to do the steering wheel, the dash. I got to do the chassis, which it's not here, it's in the box. I still got to do engine detail, and I got to put wheels and tires on it. Like I said, I think I'm going to go with a chrome reverse with the white walls slammed. Let me get this put back over here. I try to protect it, you know. We're gonna set, well, matter of fact, we might just set it up here for now. That way you can see it real good up there. And yeah, I got a couple of these kits. I still got a red one to build, and then I got this one right here. This one has the trailer and everything in it. The only thing happened to this is the body's been painted on it, and it just needs to be stripped off. And but yeah, it's got the trailer and everything. This is another one that I got to build sometime, and this is very cool. Very cool kits, guys. I love vintage kits. I like seeing vintage kits built, restored, brought back to life. Oh yeah, it's just amazing, guys. If y'all don't do that, y'all need to do that. All right, guys, I want to thank you. I want to thank Adam, Jamie for naming it Strawberry Slam. Appreciate you guys. Love all y'all. Like I said, the links will be in the description below. Check them out. All right, guys, love you. What would Jesus do? Bye.